Ken Ofori-Atta de ewie na me busa me ho ensem fa no ye mu bi de o ma mutie ni nim se wa sha ase na enura afe ena se de osi ye na niema fa no ye sha ase raise red flag kan wa asema afe emuaya na na doda nkwa akofa do pa no no ebe ka che ye ne se NDC for ne ya ye pa adwuma no ene ye keka ye call for ye friend say reshuffle no apankofo no de a wo tumi no ono free so mo ba adwuma so Kofi kai ha e ho resource ni na enyam bia se ka Kofi wa ya adwuma wo Opemsuo ha wo da so ye na ye bia da bi wo ja adwuma ni e frɛ so Kofi adwuma na wo ye no ye penchechemu bi
o wache ayi ebia Lancaster
ana
Golden Bean
woka aya Lancaster na nkofo nkai also mo say no as a publicity na sheda nkodi as o mo mta ko
mo din dada no
din dada
Golden Tulip
no na woka e bra
adwuma ha bra min enenam kubasi min ko ankodi min ko Golden Bean ko didi abokro no a
obi a
ukrunti okso
obi a why adwuma ma Ghana
Opemsuo
anas minister o say
was so
nyakatia ketia o say tembia da na ha me no won jakatia
da bi onya
ana wo somye ana ye na wo somye mu bi say wadwuma no enso ani ti wo de ye won jakatia de wo de kwatra won na ye mpa obi foforo ana wa ye adwuma wo wie
o say ti say ja wo ja ne ma hoko
wo so yare ne ma wo so yare de obi enim say eno nyankopon
ko yesai yare
yes se na nana mo ko so ya o mo kan wase
o mo so yare
se mrese bedwane de aka de o mo ntanka but nana mo de specifically o mo kan san so mo nim ayi
beba
de beba na se de emera na wa ye den se nka de na nsema e ba na se na ho emai no na me ka se ne je kura so e be kan wasem se ni wura no ho to na obede obeba na fe de se wo ba be yi wo wano se ye pencheche mu no eno no ye wo den ne de Kofi me dwuru ho a me nti ase se adwuma wa ye enye se bia ye bra Ken Ofori-Atta nso wo ni plain fair se ye bi obeba na wa ko ne nko na ba wo na be si ne akoye twemi amantwe eno no me dwuru ho a Kofi me nti ase se wo ye de ya Kofi se da me kan ba ko no Bible no se ka wani murente se wasomo man ne ebusa bra na enchechemu bi wo hofada maye no
o so yare no homfa no
no so asemo
no homfa no
na Kofi
yese kwa de
George Adamfo na se medika board George Wadamfo kisi ajaben na moto na woto na ye ka ho asem woro ahye ne ma bi wo ye no publicity no doso ne kasa no ene won de esi ene omuwie ye anope ye e ba ya publicity ne ba ya na wa saba o masa be kasa
obetro
wasa be trade den say wo mo de o mo da so tire ba bi o mo tina na
Mami Kana Chief Unche, the Office of the Special Prosecutor OSP has taken note of media reports and publications attributed to a law firm in Ghana that Mr. Kenneth Ofori-Atta has been granted permanent residency in the United States, resulting from an immigration court finding that it did not find the criminal charges filed by the OSP in Ghana against Mr. Ofori-Atta credible. The OSP states that it is not involved in immigration hearings in the United States involving Mr. Ofori-Atta. The OSP's involvement is in respect of extradition proceedings against Mr. Ofori-Atta through the Attorney General as the central authority. The OSP states that the extradition packet is not before the immigration court, and the credibility or otherwise of the criminal charges against Mr. Ofori-Atta would be determined by the courts in Ghana, who have jurisdiction to determine his guilt or innocence. Further, Mr. Ofori-Atta still remains a citizen of Ghana, and he is still amenable to be extradited to Ghana if so decided by the extradition court in the United States.
Kofi Bako ne bonetia voice na motabo no
there here
Omampeni John Dramani Mama. Oye candidate no. Oka assembly oye president here. Nancy OSP issue no buy no. Oka nwase. Say wase OSP nkwane adwumaku a ewo tumi say
what prosecutorial power
which is totally forced per the ruling by the High Court. And no mejiri say wase ne councillors no legal councils no. Oma entunefo.
No, that was the foundation for which the OSP was.
But yemna shebedwa for na omoko pass mra no. Di omode hie mu no. Man sa to me no. Also OSP na nkasa. After High Court ruling no. Also nedie wa kuchira de no. A kire se the anamono wotu no. Wo gina Attorney General ni to me so no oyede. Or pursue the case.
Says I don't more candy animation. It's supposed to need to me.
So one also knows.
And so on you know if it's all to me. And I'm most similarness minute to me, not they to me want me get to me on honor. As a Christian your bomb pie, me used to dim.
Yes, you can only stand on
Abian also to me. Yamia Joe.
Yeah.
And yes, Master Yamia Joe no used to be woman until say, okay.
And so 2 minutes there. What to me say, so they walk on. Base no and I was source no te bad first no na sana na OSP na nkasa working and no na my man penny so na all can because no nim say sanity but see ya na de na me charge na say sa kana ye man penny kan no enye sa na embra no
and they say there and it say can do for that pa there
Kofi the OSP kan ba ko a metimi aka wasem say so da so ye Ghana ni yes so far na de won cast onye Ghana ni ti no de say wo di for so woni for no e Ghana court no be dey e be determine that one is true and no is true but the ye me one say Ken Ofori-Atta yes you are granted a permit krana say Ghana for bebre wo permit ana me boa omokoba ana omokoba mi ni madam fu bia wan na yire afi bia omoba ono makọ no maba saa omokoba inti say one kasa no ade na ye busa no se enkrata sambia ye kamade ya
so kan say ofri so de amana peme kwa so Ghana ni
o wo ye Ghana ni wo da so ye Ghana ni na de be pa na esi no kwan se adwuma wa ye buhum konta o se mi mu
o ka so adwuma so ba mbeche no
na US ona Oma fa hankopa nguni sa ana de ye hu ye na ye photoshop
se no mdi mra ko hwe mu se mukra mu ni case
no na ma OSP Kofi de ma OSP ebe mu no enam sa entretre ya wo tretre issue se ai o issue warrant no no na ma Ken Ofori-Atta so sha se o faale no ka so asem na mu gina so eya se chenchena memra eno eni nyina so OSP ni letter ya wo tre ni wura fi no wana ana omo refi omo se basis na ko sha se yes ya declare wanted won by ka se no nyina so na wo declare wanted no ni emra kwan mu no no that basis nti kisia ja base mo refi omo nko kan na emom no de ye mu bi high ne se Ken Ofori-Atta yes OSP afrel ejuma na ho ye no enkrata sem ne ye hu bibi ye bra na ba chechirem be yi wano Kofi woni say we wo ba wa se wa ma ade no wonne na busuafo no na manyina no ebe hangi o mo sa o na satan bia no ena me tie mrasha bedwade bi wo say Ghana de so de ye game ye
so an come back no
2028 election a big campaign
e ma han
anya ndisi
so ma ide
na wo ka wa yo mo
ade
wayomi gangan to on chendi
ndidi
enti Ken Ofori-Atta de be enti ye ni pipi fo a on betimi etu no fo so enua adwuma no wa wonim se wa ye
kama me mo twani tia MPP fo person cancer common so mfa no mra
onye so mo mfa no mra wo say nipa de ye bi obeka oma but so omo ye press conferences ye demonstrations ye hwan can so betimi akase enua Ken Ofori-Atta minority issue statement
ntomra
bra na be yi wa no se be ya yeso ye ho be sane ye
ankom ko afariba ye no na ankom aka no aka yen san kan so ne kan ye kan minority ne MPP asem no me san ka cha tani je na ye hanu na ye ne atani je na be ka se Ken Ofori-Atta wakofa lawyers intit manya sam kituo ye attorney general ye de tumi amomo ye de tumi amane se omo ayi Ken Ofori-Atta so adi esiko so ni esiko wadi bi wa dwunu achi omo ntie enkofa ne mra tenan so ka attorney general
say me kan wa Ken Ofori-Atta wakofa
lawyer bin for kukudam wakofa yasam kitu na just wo hunu e attorney general no
say we wadi for yi
minim say entina me hu we ran so
say wadi for yi just say enya ade ye nwanwa kura
asam na da ho no
enya ade ye nwanwa kura
asam na wada ho no
o say na say one dey say dey say ya futuo no say wafa press conferences no
Opemsuo
na say wajai o ko leave ye bia na wo ye your friends any dia
some say the penultimate one ne dia wo ko ka say Ken Ofori-Atta
nti free honum no mente biem say wasa ye
am for manu hu sam ne attorney general wo ka say den say ne
go na say nti no we say obusa na beka so say me ka kire mu say lawyer for akukudam
ye no so mu anana OSP 2 ni agema ne say attorney general enhwe no on follow cases no say Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers akwana ko fan echen you no ka say dia na ka view doc una ni pano na yi so de wadam for paken is it onya green card in tebi kwa so ha no
Kofi
yes
second so economist
yo bibia ho kwan baye ni nya ne fata ye
nti ye man permanent residence amanenye
yeah onje waje so dia say
obejenso
ena obeje so ena ni aim ni say because it's America you cry a certain amount of money with minya citizenship.
Oh, I see.
So dia say it may na nyem nwanwa to ma no more hopes say obeba no so dia say na me no menya one of them second ebeba say obabe debre onye nadwen because me Frank Davis the lawyer even advised him not to come. And these are the people that they say they love the country. So they say, we money nipa ebe kasa say omune do Ghana, but they themselves no omwana ekum Ghana. Eti eyo no ne kashire no wabo opa mfanso na ma opa mo mfanso. But as a matter of fact no dente woni di ho no ensesan and two attorney general person or try now bet my try no absence I said said now they can try him absentia
na
because baby akwakudu dey so man try no absentia no mo kase omo train no because ni nana mo wotu no say sebi man sunuma so say wo kam kro be kase yinsi no sana ochre yen o kamu a yinsi no ho asase bia nchifuru so dia say
babia be
to be I employee sanity eti me ho no me shada waste me time o ho sa on baya na me no sa political cases no career me interest ho so dia say se kaneka kan de no ye na agisika ne dia so dia say and as I say, we said any evidence be as Kebia could know. So they say it's based on allege. So they say it young to your boss. Nay, the another if we any other ho. And the attorney general so mo be a fahua. Almost started no munyan fahu. Now we who say your man attention now.
In fact, Justice Kusiminka Premo press release by mem Coco Control made the two screen summer obia hebinadok one no country so opeka
and me third born birthday
memo akwan or drew her
mammy yenisisia maybe yenisisia
make an audio mayam
coffee
now we try the mayam why down but I remember means Kaimen so
there be now they make
well now we did my kami papa and baby do me ma auntie adana me man kai nam say na me de okai me kra ya wo mi na agina ho no refi na me dia wo a minimum ba bia no so sakwa we de bi oche There's this press release a free Justice Siminka Premo Esquire, solicitor for Ken Ofori-Atta, and this is soon or the bar out and some I can. Was it Ken Ofori-Atta's green card 1-485 petition has been granted by U.S. Immigration Court. The court heard evidence relating to actions taken by Ghana's Office of the Special Prosecutor, including the OSP's earlier decision to declare Mr. Ofori-Atta a fugitive from justice at a time when he was reportedly undergoing medical treatment in the United States and while his lawyers remained in communication with investigators in Ghana. The court findings the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. However, the court's ruling was made within the context of a United States immigration proceedings. The court's decision was focused on whether Mr. Ofori-Atta met the legal requirements for adjustment of status. And in short, from the first line, as you can understand, under what is being discussed, the petition has been granted by U.S. Immigration Court. What petition? Permanent residence or something?
It would have been better, say, solicitor secretary.
I don't know.
Because the statement the court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. Sovereign state. So I didn't all penetrate into it.
And as a matter of fact, why is
investigation on
why are you watering down our judicial system?
Sovereign state. Ghana say why finance minister for that long. Omegunkunta. Anybody is saying. Now unim the who will say and this immigration status at the trouble ma wo kontra US wono e dia adwuma be no okoy
no na ka so ko US so ko adwuma
oh enya aban krobom
ye won pokwa omote Ghana
mo she white na me kan mo se dia
Opemsuo obeso kan bi chama de kasa chem street
da bi nyawo na we dia se nyawo white mo tse da pamata fita na ye de kodi Nyankopon few no mo da fo mo munumuni na u ka se ndi ya na Nyankopon wo hwe de wo mu ye se den agudie acting to say there ya from ni atutu abo no wu ade ya tia wata koye fufuro no mo koye no afro dem Ofori-Atta na Azaya Habakuk wo boja no aka bra ma yewi we ade a okoje ho resident permit jabe kire Ghana say ya ma resident permit do want to
kwana nkom kan se kwana nkan woda
wo se kwana atene dabi MPP wo mu za bootlicking ni wo mu ga hantan kasa na Akufo-Addo mu bepa adwuma ene wo de adwane akoji immigration status of Abuja ta akokra awoi kotra woi akokra womre ni ene no one makai nunu mensa
wakajo za wode
oh na sa bruchiro awon enye eye de wo ho
nti won de enye wasem say
masem fi say wonu ne wo be adwuma ye ntua ne kada
so aba monyiska
na ye ntua o kada no ene ese okay yate ase wa moyeka bra na bebu nkunta
ateka
usme ma
ateka
no ama ofori
ateka
OSP jabe adani lumba so ko
anko anume
kokoji
mi twa ho aba